Ecotourism is a sustainable travel that focuses on conserving the environment, educating tourists about respect for local cultures and tradition, and promoting the well-being of local communities by encouraging the people into natural areas to be visited. It can also be a strategic plan to collect funds and improve facilities to attract even more tourists. But all in all, it encourages tourists to enjoy and learn about the ecosystem, wildlife, and local traditions that can be adapted by the people and practice having responsible travel habits.
The 150 MW Burgos Wind Project in Burgos, Ilocos Norte is owned and operated by EDC Burgos Wind Power Corporation or EBWPC, a division of EDC.
Touchdown what? Ilocos!
The largest wind power project in the Philippines is located in Burgos, Ilocos Norte and spans 600 hectares across 3 barangays, Sawit, Poblacion, and Dugsurut.
Guys, where are we? We're at 150!
In addition to the expansion of the switchyard and substations, the project includes 50 big Vestas, V90, 3 MW wind turbines, and a 115-volt transmissions line that connects the wind farm and the Burgos substations to the Lawag substations.
Welcome to Kapurpurawan!
In Kapurpurawan Rock Formation, Ilocos Norte, the Kapurpurawan Rock Formation is located on the rocky coast of Burgos, Ilocos Norte. It is known for its creamy white and streamlined limestone formations, which have been sculpted by different oceanic and weather forces. Burgos is located on the northwestern tip of Ilocos Norte. Tapaway Church, officially known as the Church of San Agustin, is a prominent landmark in the Philippines. As tourists flock to witness this architectural marvel, it's crucial to ensure their visit contributes to the well-being of the community and the preservation of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Throughout its history, the Paway Church has faced numerous challenges, including earthquakes. The church buttresses, built from coral stone and bricks, are a defining features of its design. They not only provide structural support, but also contribute to the church's imposing and formidable appearance. The church bell tower, located a distance from the main structure, is another example of this fusion of influences. It was intentionally built separately to minimize the damage to the church during earthquakes. The Paway Church, as a Roman Catholic church, represents the beliefs and practices of the Catholic faith. Some of their beliefs is that you need to knock 3 times to the Paway Church door before you enter, and after that, you'll make 3 wishes. The Paway Church is not only a place of worship, but a symbol of the reliance and enduring spirit of the Filipino people. It has stood the test of time, surviving numerous earthquakes and natural disasters, and has served as a refuge and a source of strength for the local community. The Malacañang of the North, also known as Malacañang de Amianan in the Ilocano dialect, is a national park and museum located in Barangay Suba in Paway, Ilocos Norte.
We're at Malacañang Palace of the North!
The majestic mansion was built in 1977 by the Philippine Tourism Authority and was originally the official residence of the late President Ferdinand Marcos and his family when visiting his home province. This 5-hectare property was a gift to former President Marcos Sr. on his 60th birthday by his wife, the First Lady Imelda Marcos. The Malacañang of the North features intricate designs with a mix of Spanish, Filipino, and Ilocano architecture. The mansion is a 2-story building with large rooms, grand staircase, and beautifully crafted wooden furniture. The balconies and windows offer stunning views of Paway Lake, enhancing its charm and historical feels. Inside, it displays memorabilia, photographs, and artifacts from Marcos era, providing a detailed look into the life of one of the Philippines' most controversial political figures.
How do you engage with local communities?
You can always interact with the local communities by buying their products, and also you can communicate with them by tasting their Ilocano cuisine. In a way, you'll understand the Ilocano community better.
How can sustainable tourism benefit Ilocos community?
Sustainable tourism is beneficial to Ilocos communities by preserving and taking good care of the tourist spots that they have. That way, they could be more productive and they could earn more income.
What traditional Ilocano practices can be sustainably adapted?
There are lots of Ilocano crafts that can be sustainably adapted. Like for example, the pottery. It's been as early as 14th century, they've been taught how to make it, and until now they are still producing the way they were taught by the Chinese. And also the weaving here in Ilocos is very special. We have the loom weave product that reaches all over. The finished product could reach other countries.
The northern Philippine province of Ilocos is known for its breathtaking natural beauty, rich cultural legacy, and friendly people. From the majestic sand dunes of La Paz to the historic churches of Bicban, Ilocos offer a diverse range of experience for travelers. The increasing popularity of Ilocos as a tourist destination has led to concerns about the environmental and social impacts of tourism. It is crucial to ensure that this beauty remains preserved for future generations. To embrace sustainable travel choices, we should consider alternative modes of transportation, such as public transportation, cycling, or walking, to reduce your reliance on private vehicles. Interact with local populations in a considerate and courteous way, refraining from taking any acts that might interfere with their way of life. And lastly, dispose your waste responsibly. Avoid littering and minimize your impact on the environment. Viewers may help preserve Ilocos' natural beauty and cultural legacy by adopting ecotourism projects and adopting sustainable travel habits. Travelers may guarantee that the area is a dynamic and lively destination for future generations by making thoughtful decisions. Join the sustainable travel movement and support ecotourism initiatives to respect cultures and traditions, reduce your carbon footprint, and support eco-friendly businesses. Inspire others with responsible travel habits and protect biodiversity hotspots. Empower local communities, promote sustainable livelihoods, and preserve cultural heritage. Your choice makes a difference. Book Ecolodge's responsible tours and sustainable activities. Support conservation projects, community-based initiatives, share your eco-adventures, and inspire others. Together, let's regenerate ecosystems, support indigenous cultures, and transform tourism for good. Start your sustainable travel journey today and be part of creating a better future for our planet. Share your sustainable travel stories using the hashtag #EcoIlocosNorte. Inspire others to make mindful choices and create a ripple effect of positive change. Let your voice be heard and encourage your friends and family to join the movement towards responsible tourism. As you plan your next adventure, remember that your choices matter. By embracing sustainable travel and supporting ecotourism initiatives in Ilocos Norte, you are helping to preserve this beautiful region for future generations. Together, let's create a legacy of love and respect for our planet. Again, #EcoIlocosNorte.